What's up, Susie? Me in the street, I look my bread and butter for feed me 4 pitney them.
Why, Natasha, me there, boy, me say, me have a big problem.
Lord Jesus, how do you? You sick?
It worse than that. The little foreign man that say want to come to Jamaica, come spend 2 weeks with me.
So make him come now?
All you come like you drink mad puts piss. Make him come way. After I know about Bingy and the pitney them.
Yes. So how you gonna anger that the situation? Just left Bingy, me not see what purpose him serve.
Natasha, you turn family counselor now. So how much year you got college for that? How much you get paid for y'all to watch my business?
Oh, but me I them train for see what go on in your life.
Me no want a relationship advice from you. Bingy have the look and the side man have the money. And worst of all, and like say me is a bad woman and I do me want to do it, you know. But you know say Bingy nah give me nothing. And me have to take care of myself and plus me have to take care of Bingy too, as sad as it seems. So me no want to do it. But you see what me make sure to have the man all the way foreign. Later, the baby wake up and I cry. Natasha, nobody judge me for what me I do, you know. Me not really want to do it. I me soon stop. Me just want to clear up some of the bills them here.
Susie, you can't put on something more sexy in the house. Every day you dress up in this long frock like you are the Pope.
Bingy, why you not come out with some flowers or some chocolate sometime and make me feel appreciated and loved?
What you want me walk with dead brush for? Look how much flowers out the door. Your mother never tell us that chocolate not good for your teeth.
Bingy, tapping eyes. You don't have to bring home nothing to come give me. See your dinner there on the table. Dealing with man like you is like telling a hog to hold up their head.
Susie, today what day?
Today is Friday. Why you ask?
So what this in my plate? My eyes they must have fooled me. Cabbage. And to make matters worse, not even a piece of saltfish.
Bingy, can you please eat the food, please? You complain too much. You feel glad say you come home can get something warm to eat. Today is Friday and enough woman now cook give them man. All them man come home can do eat bread and drink water or tea and go in bed. You're one of the fortunate ones. Stop the noise.
Pussy glad man. If my granny see this, she must turn in her grave. Let me tell her this. Friday is strictly KFC. Everybody know that. Susie, no make me have nothing.
Bingy, buy KFC. Yeah, man. Buy KFC and bring it home. Come with eat some too.
Susie, you know hear your phone ringing every second. You're not answering it.
Yeah, me see it. And my mother call me. I'll call her back when me done.
That you save your mother numbers, mortgage, light and water. Later, my baby mother. No worry yourself. I'm gonna bring back flowers and chocolate for you. Right?
Me have to start with me too, guy then. Cheese and peace. Me say the boy Romeo stop ring off my phone and he say me not answer and him to call so. Let me go call him back.
Hi, love. I've been calling you all morning.
Sorry, baby. I was in the shower. Yeah, I just got out. What's up?
So what's up with you? We got disconnected in our last conversation.
Yes, babes. I saw the phone systems here in Jamaica. That's why sometimes for weeks you call me and you're not getting me. Yeah, especially at night time. That's why you never get me one night you call me because them system go down mostly at night.
Okay. As I was saying about me coming to Jamaica for 2 weeks, I put in my vacation.
Babes, put back out your vacation. You can't come to Jamaica right now.
Why, hon? I already bought my plane tickets, babe.
Babes, you never hear? The whole of Jamaica flood out. No plane can land here. A 5 plane underwater out of the airport.
I didn't saw that on the news or over the internet.
Babes, Jamaica government now go share them a news here. Yes, the 2 airport them flood out. Me all hear say 3 pilot drown. So it's better me come look for you. where baby would end up do here. I'm a cat. Hon, let me call you back.